Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to install a PlayStation 3 emulator on a MacBook Pro. You can use a MacBook Air or a Mac Mini, whatever Mac you have. And for this, we're gonna need two things. We're gonna need the RPCS3 emulator, and we are going to need the PlayStation 3 software update. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave both of the links in the description below ready for you to use. So you're gonna go ahead and scroll down and download and install for Mac. Once you have it downloaded, double click it, drag and drop to the applications folder. Close this and go to the applications folder, and you're gonna press command and right click, and you're gonna click open. Okay, if this happens, you're gonna have to go to your settings. So let's go to the Apple system preferences. You're gonna go to security and privacy, and you're gonna go to general. If you're not already in general, go to general, and right here it's gonna say RPCS3 was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer. You're gonna press open anyway. And then click open, and you're gonna click I have read the quick start guide. If you actually want to read it, go ahead and click it and press continue. Now you're in the menu, and now you're gonna have to go to the PlayStation 3 software update and download it. And once you have it downloaded, I have mine downloaded here on the downloads. You're gonna go to the emulator, and you're gonna go to file, install firmware, and select the firmware you downloaded and press open. And you're gonna I had already downloaded and installed this, but I'm just doing this so I can show you guys how to do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and press yes. And then it was successfully installed, and press OK, and it's gonna start doing some stuff, loading PPU modules. And there you go, you have downloaded the PlayStation 3 emulator for your Mac. Now you just need some games. That is all for today. I try to keep it short. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and I will try to get to you as soon as I can.